Well, my day started with a pheasant knocking on my basement window, waiting to be fed, him and his wife and his kids. And the evening is now calm and peaceful. Solitude. Isn't that just beautiful? This is my place. I come here nearly every day. I love it. I love this particular view. The hills, the mist, the sea. Chesapeake Inlet.